So regarding verb tense, kind of the one error that we sometimes see is errors in consistency throughout a sentence. So there are times when the verb tense needs to be the same throughout a sentence, and there are times that it will change throughout the sentence. So we can take a look at these examples. Baki conducted the interviews and then transcribed them. So it's talking about two things that Baki did. Both of these actions belong to the author, or there's something that the author did. So it makes sense for them to be consistent that they're both in the past tense. In the next two examples, we see a shift in verb tense. So Harrington found, past tense, that the survey participants drink, present tense, an average of 2.2 cups of coffee per day. And the researchers explained, past tense, that identifying a cause will be, future tense, difficult. So one characteristic of these last two sentences is that they use the word that. So in this sentence structure, the word that introduces a noun clause. And that's not a term that you need to remember, but that's what it's called. These noun clauses are often used to report what other people think or have said, such as when, maybe you're introducing a paraphrase or a summary or a quote. So when you're introducing what a researcher said or did, in this sentence structure, you may need to shift the verb tense to explain what they found or future action. One thing to note is that sometimes in English, the word that is left out of the sentence, especially in spoken language. So a person might say, the researcher said identifying a cause will be difficult. So just keep in mind, it's sometimes okay to drop the that from the sentence. So just looking for the word that might not be an effective strategy. In deciding if you should shift the tense in the sentence, try to think about whether the sentence includes a report about what a researcher or another person said or did, and that might help you decide.